The two-day training on sensitization of the 3 new criminal codes, organized by the Meghalaya Administrative Training Institute, Shillong, sponsored by the Law Department, concluded today in the Conference Hall of Deputy Commissioner's Office, Jawai. The training focused on the 3 new criminal codes, Nyay Sanhita, the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, and the Bharatiya Sashya Adhiyan. The resource persons Samkuparlang Latem, Law Officer, Law Department, discussed the new criminal codes. C.W. Lingdo, Additional SP, Crime, West Jaintia Hills, elaborated on Forensic Science Laboratory, FSL, the 3 criminal codes, while Public Prosecutor, West Jaintia Hills, explained on Bharatiya Nyay Sanhita.